What's up, my little cans of evaporated milk? And welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. This is exciting. Today, we are gonna try a very special Filipino dessert called Ube Halaya. I've never made this before, so you're coming on the journey with me. Super quick background, ube is a purple yam prominently found in the Philippines. It's naturally bright purple, no food coloring necessary. And so let's just get into the recipe. And shout out to my Filipinos out there. Woo woo! Let's do this. Ridiculous. Alright, check it out. We got 2.5 pounds of these purple yams, aka ube. I'm gonna cut these to make them a little bit more manageable. We're just gonna transfer that over to a pot. And throw some water in there until they're completely covered. We're gonna turn the stove on to medium heat, and we're just gonna let that cook until those get soft. From what I've read, it takes about 45 minutes. So, we got some time. Little cat nap. The ube's done. All right, let's check this with a fork. Oh, and that's soft. These are ready to go. These might be too soft. Sure. What do you want to talk about?
Did those yams explode?
Yeah, I think I cooked them too long.
Oh no, is that what they're supposed to look like?
No.
They're like an alien baby. Ew.
Alright, so we got our yams, and I'm gonna be a little honest. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I think I overcooked these a little bit. They're a little mushy, but we're gonna try to work around this. First thing we're gonna do is remove the skin. Are you serious?
You're gonna fast forward that anyway.
Alright, we got these all peeled. Boom! So now we're gonna take the pieces that I totally didn't overcook and grate them. We're gonna take that, dump it into a large bowl. Wow.
Oopsies.
And we're gonna take the overcooked mashed ube and throw it in there as well. Into that, we are gonna add a can of evaporated milk. Totally forgot to shake that. Yo! A can of sweetened condensed milk. And a cup of brown sugar. And we're just gonna mix that up. Alright. Back over to the stovetop, we got a large pan. We're gonna put in 1 stick of butter. And we're gonna melt that down on medium-low heat. And once that's melted, we're gonna throw in our batter. We're gonna give that a quick stir. We're gonna let that cook down for 45 minutes, stirring every 5 to 10 minutes. Hey, it's starting to thicken up. Alright, this has been cooking for 45 minutes. Look how thick this is. Doesn't fall off the spoon, that's when we know it's ready. Alright, so I am just realizing right now that I don't have a cake mold to put this in. So, we're gonna use a muffin tin instead and try to make little mini ube cakes. First thing we're gonna do is brush it with a little bit of coconut oil. And let's glob these in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now we gotta figure out how to flatten these down without it sticking to the utensil. Let's try taking a spoon, dipping the back of it in a little bit of coconut oil, and start pushing these down. Alright, it's actually working. Let's do the rest. All packed down. And now, for the moment of truth. Let's flip them out. Alright. And what do they look like? Oh my god, they're stuck. And more are out. Up, get. Aha! We have our little ube cakes. Let's go plate them up. Let's get a plate and throw 1, 2, and 3. Alright, and then my little twist, we take some mint leaves and stack those up, like so. Then we're just gonna roll them up and do a little chop. And we'll just sprinkle that over our ube. And you have Filipino Ube Halaya. Let's go try one. Alright, let's give this a try. Alright, ready? Ooh. Wow.
Okay.
Okay. It's so dense, but that is so delicious. This is so dense that this little cake is probably more for 2 people. Oh, and that purple yam almost tastes like a sweet potato, but it's got like a hint of a coconut flavor. And I'm not talking just from that coconut oil. It's a really unique flavor, but I really like this. Some calamansi. You guys, my Filipinos, why have you kept this from me? This is amazing. Filipino Ube Halaya. Ube Halaya. Ube Halaya. If you guys want to see what we make for episode 3 and you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And thank you guys.